Hey, this is Nicole with the eCom Seller Summit. And today I have with me the amazing Miss Becky Thames. Becky, how are you doing?
I'm awesome, Nicole. How are you?
I'm hanging in there. It's been a busy day.
Yeah.
So, so I wanted to tell everyone Becky is an amazing speaker. She's one of our featured speakers for the eCom Seller Summit, which happens to be March the 12th through the 14th. It's all online. It's a virtual event. So you want to grab your tickets today. Now, Becky, tell us just a little bit about yourself and a little bit about what your topic is for the summit.
Awesome. Thank you so much for having me. Guys, I'm super excited. So, on the summit, I'm going to share with you how you can private label your own item. Most of you know me as the Amazon Queen, but what you don't know is I've been doing e commerce for 20 years. Started my eBay account November 9th, 1999. So, I have 20 years worth of experience that I'm going to give you in a very, very short amount of time. And I've done everything e commerce related from selling on eBay to drop shipping, to selling books, private label, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, everything that you can do online. I'm going to share with you. Well, no, I'm not going to share everything because there's going to be amazing speakers that are going to cover each topic, but I'm just going to focus on private label and what's working right now to find good items to sell on Amazon for amazing margins.
See, Becky is doing well. We do call her the Amazon Queen. She is the best. I've seen her present so many different times because she participated in our previous events that we used to host, and she is so amazing. She teaches from it's very straightforward so you can understand it. And some of the strategies and the techniques that she's going to give you in this summit are going to help you to catapult your business. So you want to definitely get your all access. Well, get your free ticket, first of all. The summit is free. You can register. You can go to the link that's up above or down below, and you can register for absolutely free. After you register, you have the opportunity to upgrade to the All Access Pass. The All Access Pass gives you access to all of the speaker recordings. You can go back and watch them anytime you want to, and it also gives you access to the bonuses. There's going to be summit bonuses and speaker bonuses, and I understand that Becky has a bonus for us. So, Becky,
Woo!
what is your bonus?
Bonuses. I love bonuses. So, guys, listen, I remember when I first started, I had zero money. So, I'm going to share with you how you can start your e commerce journey, starting with $0 all the way up to how I've had over $1.3 million in sales from, this is an ebook. Literally day one, what you do on day one. So if I had to start completely over, nobody knew my name, nobody knew who I was, how would I have over $1.3 million in sales? And so that's bonus number one. And I call it the drive at 5 because I'm literally sitting in my car on my lunch break right now. So you can work your business in the nooks and crannies of your life. I only do Amazon part-time, had over $1.3 million in sales, all while being an amazing wife to an amazing husband, three very active boys, and a full-time career. So if you have a full-time job, I love my job. That's the number one question I get asked. Becky, why are you still working? Because I love it. And that's the only reason that I continue to work. And the second bonus, guys, funnels are the way of the future. You're going to have some amazing gurus talk to you about funnels. But one
Yes.
thing that I do that catapults my business on Amazon is I do advertising on Facebook, and I use a funnel to get the email addresses so that I can retarget over and over and over again. And I'm going to give you a done for you eCom Rockstar funnel.
See. Now let me just tell you, I love listening to Becky. Her training is amazing. You want her funnel because, like she said, funnels are the future when it comes to e-commerce. There's a lot of different ways you can do e-commerce. She rattled off all of those different ways, and she's absolutely right. And all of those ways still work. There are people that are crushing it in shopping for profits. There are people that are crushing it in books. They're crushing it in all the other different ways. The passion of her life is private label. And so she's crushing it in private label. So there's so many different ways to do e-commerce. You want to grab your ticket today so you can learn about the different ways to do e-commerce. Figure out which way works for you. I love the way she said you work it into the nooks and crannies of your life. And that's true. We tell you to do your e-commerce business on your time. And we're going to talk through different ways in which you can work e-commerce into your life so you can, fulfill your dreams, whatever your challenge. If you have financial challenges, if you have things you need to pay off, e-commerce can help you do that. So grab your tickets to the eCom Seller Summit. It's a virtual event. It's all online. It's an online e-commerce conference, March the 12th through the 14th. Get your ticket today. Ticket link is up above or down below in the comments. And for those who type hashtag replay in the comments, and share this recording out to at least 10 different places on the internet out there. What you're going to do is you're going to be entered into a drawing to win 100 inventory items. So 100 inventory items can kickstart your business like real time. You literally can watch all these speakers, figure out what strategy and approach you want to take to do e-commerce, and then jumpstart your business because you have inventory in front of you. You have free inventory that I have packaged up myself personally. It'll all be ranked. And so all you have to do is just share the video in order to win that. So enter the drawing, share this video out. I will announce the winner on the 10th. And Becky, I thank you so much. I'm glad that you're a speaker. I love to hear Becky speak. I've learned so much from her. I've learned so much from watching her. She's blessed so many different people out there. You have no idea how good she is at this game. She's good at e-commerce. So thank you for taking the time today to talk to us. And we'll see you guys in the next another session of the eCom Seller Summit.